Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today we're diving into the exciting world of action cameras with an exclusive look at the DJI Action 5 Pro. Scheduled for launch in August 2024, this cutting-edge camera is set to redefine the standards for action cams. If you're a content creator, adventure enthusiast, or just a tech aficionado, you won't want to miss this comprehensive breakdown of what makes the DJI Action 5 Pro a game changer. From its groundbreaking specs to its innovative design, let's explore everything you need to know about this highly anticipated release. At the heart of the DJI Action 5 Pro is a groundbreaking new sensor that represents a monumental leap forward from its predecessors. This upgraded sensor is capable of recording jaw-dropping 5K video at 60 frames per second, offering unprecedented detail and color accuracy. One of the standout features of this new sensor is its exceptional low-light performance. DJI has truly pushed the envelope with the Action 5 Pro, introducing a series of revolutionary features that enhance both user experience and creative potential. Action cameras often endure intense movements, whether mounted on a bike helmet or held while running. DJI's new stabilization system ensures that your footage remains smooth and steady, even in the most dynamic situations. One of the standout aspects of the DJI Action 5 Pro is its affordability. Priced competitively at $399, this camera makes professional-grade technology accessible to a wider audience. As the release of the DJI Action 5 Pro approaches, it's clear that this camera is poised to make a significant impact on the content creation industry. With its groundbreaking features and advanced capabilities, the Action 5 Pro offers a unique blend of innovation, quality, and affordability. Users have praised the camera's exceptional image quality, advanced stabilization, and intuitive interface. The waterproof case has also received commendations for its durability and effectiveness in protecting the camera during aquatic activities. In conclusion, the DJI Action 5 Pro is set to revolutionize the action camera industry with its impressive array of features, advanced technology, and competitive pricing. As we approach its release in August 2024, it's clear that this camera offers a unique blend of innovation and accessibility that is likely to appeal to a wide range of users. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, an avid adventurer, or simply someone looking to capture your experiences with stunning clarity, the DJI Action 5 Pro is poised to be an excellent choice. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews as we get closer to the release date, and be sure to subscribe to Tech Titan Reviews for all the latest news and insights on the DJI Action 5 Pro and other exciting tech innovations.